Bismillah, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
So in this occasion, I want to present about my portfolio from 7th grade till 9th grade. So this is my profile. I'm Fauzan Muhammad. I born in East Jakarta in 2008, and now I study in IDN boarding school. So the first is IT projects. Yeah, I will present IT project from 7th grade till 9th grade. Okay, the first is Canva poster. So Canva poster is my first project in IDEA that I made in 7th grade. This is the result. Kinda, maybe kinda bad. I don't know because I'm still newbie at this one. Okay, second project we move to the Scratch project. The first we are introduction of Scratch. So before we make the project of Scratch, we make the introduction of Scratch first, so we know the function of the block codes in Scratch, how to move the character and how to make a slide. Okay, the next is first project is catching fruit, but I use my I added it to catching planet. So there's the black hole to catch the sun and the planet, and yeah, in this game. And then the second is Manners Before Sleep. So Manners Before Sleep is actually a slide game. So there are two characters, man and boy and girl, and this is the second project about Manners Before Sleep. So if you click the this home logo, then you will go to home page. And then if you click next slide, and the other is previous slide. Okay, the next is Take Me Out. So Take Me Out. There are 3 levels, level 1, level 2, and level 3. Actually, you can make till infinite level, till 10 levels, but the recommendation is 3. Okay, so I use Pac-Man theme in this project, and there is a what is it? I forget. Okay, the next is Frog Hope. So Frog Hope is the 4th, the 5th. I think the 4th Scratch project. So we need to help the frog to pass the river with standing on the plane. Okay, the next is Block Breaker. So Block Breaker is, I don't know, I got this idea from where. So you need to break all the opponents with the ball. Okay, next is Ninja Fruit. So Ninja Fruit is kind of popular in Play stores, and I make it in Scratch using cursor. If in Play Store is using our hand, but this one using cursor. There's the bomb and the fruit. If you touch the bomb, you will lose. If you hit the fruit, slash the fruit till 20, the score, you will win. Okay, the next is the Bomberman. So the Bomberman is, you need to kill all the enemy with dropping bomb, and in here I use Among Us Dim. So there are 2 characters, Sheriff and Imposter. If Imposter, you need to kill all the player, the bot, but if you choose Sheriff, you need to kill the Imposter. Okay, and the next is the Defender. So the Defender is the game that we need to defend our base from the enemy. So I added it to the Plants vs Zombie. So Plants vs Zombie team, and we need to shoot the zombie before it comes to our base. Okay. The next, from Scratch to WordPress or website project. So the first is personal website. So I make this the first website that I make this personal website. So inside of here, it's show about my profile, my skills, my project in IDM. Okay, the next is school website. So I make about my elementary school website. That is SD Wildan. So it explain about the school, yeah, the profile of the schools, and then the curriculum and the material in the schools. Okay, the next, from 2021 we will move to 2022 project. The next is Moss website. So in here I make about Istiqlal website. So it explain about Istiqlal history, and then the size, the capacity of Jamaah, and some fun fact in this about this Istiqlal Mosque. And this is the last website project that I made. Okay, the next from WordPress we will move to Buildbox. So Buildbox is game platform. It can make 2D and 3D games. So if Scratch is only 2D games, it can make 3D games. So the first is Google. So Google, yeah, this popular game in Google Chrome if you don't have internet, and I edited to be there's the Godzilla. And then next, the second is Finding Treasure. So Finding Treasure, I can say is like upgrade version of Google, because the algorithm is still same. You just avoid the bomb or the trap. Okay. Next, the third is Runnerball. So Runnerball is the first 3D game that I made. So in here like this, the ball will move, and you must collect the diamond and avoid the you can say the wall, and the wall there is so variety wall. There are the difficult one and the easy one. And the next, switching ball. So switching ball is more I can say better than runner ball, because we can add something in here. We can add point and then teleporter. So if you touch the teleport, then it will teleport to the other side. Okay. The next is Crossing Road, and this is the last Buildbox game. So the Crossing Road, Crossing Road game in Play Store, and you must pass the level. There are 10 levels in here, but I only can complete 5 levels. So you must click, and the player will move to the next opponent. Next, from Buildbox we will move to Figma. So, and from 7th grade we'll move to 8th grade project. So the first is e-commerce UI UX. So this is my first Figma project and UI UX project. So I made this about e-commerce. So inside of this e-commerce UI UX, there are about some products like technology products, or maybe toy products. Yeah, the name is Shopedia. I don't have any idea for this one, but kinda unique, so I use it. Then next is Zikr UI UX. So in this Zikr UI UX, it will help you. So there are 2: morning Zikr and evening Zikr. And next is Chat App UI UX. So this is my own UI UX that I made, this Chat App UI UX. So it's like like WhatsApp, like chatting other people, and you can edit it. So the next, from Figma to Microbit. So the first is running text. So running text is the first project in this Microbit project. So the card will show the text that we setting on the Microbit website. And then the next is rock, paper, scissors. So if you do this, so it will show the logo that scissors or rock or paper, and you can play with your friends. It's kind of fun. And then the next is monitoring temperature. So monitoring temperature will show the temperature around your body, around your card, your Microbit card. So how much it will show on this using LED lamp. And next, LED light. So next is voice control. So voice control is kinda unique, because when you talk, the Microbit light will changing the color, and higher the notes, the LED lights will higher, more than before. Okay. Next is measuring distance. So measuring distance is the simplest microbit project because it only need two blog posts on the microbit website that you see. So it can detect how long is the opponent. So this is the microbit and then this is the opponent. So it can detect how much centimeter is that. Okay, next is avoid distance. So avoid distance is when there is opponent, something in front of the microbit robot, teeny bit, then the teeny bit will stop and changing direction. So it turn right or turn left, it's depend on the teeny bit. And then the next is NeoPixel. So NeoPixel is ring light, you can say it. So if you talking in the front of the ring light, then the car, it will turn on the light. So bigger the voice will higher the lights. Okay. The next is IR control. So IR control is like remote control. So we can control the microbit, the teeny bit using the remote, as you can see. Then the next is object follower. So before avoid this stage is if there is something, it will avoid that. But in object follower, if there is something, it will follow the object. But if there is no something in front of the teeny bit, then it just stay in this place. Okay. The next is line follower. So like the name, the teeny bit will follow the line. Actually, the line is only circle, so it will just walk around the circle. The next is Bluetooth control. So it's similar to IR control, but the different we control it from Bluetooth using our phones. You can control it the light and then the voice, the sound, and then the movements. Next, from 2022 we'll move to 2023 project. Before there is the fruit piano. So this is the last microbit project that I made, the 33 project. So when you touch the fruit, then the card, microbit card will play sound, or maybe play some sound, and every fruit has a different sound. Okay, next, from microbit project we will move to IoT. So in IoT I have the first project is Smart Trash. So in here I collaborate with my team, that is Akbar and Afi. So we make Smart Trash. If there is object in front of the trash, then it will be open, the trash will open. Okay, next is laser gun. So laser gun is the second IoT project that I make in here. I collect with Lutfi and Rafa. So I make the video in dormitory. Yeah, it need dark place, so I only can catch the screenshot like that. Okay, the next is smart home. So smart home, we can open the door by using a phone and turn on the light using a phone. So in here I collab with Hanaf and Kamil, my team, and then the fourth is weather station. So weather station is similar to, what's the name before? The main point is it's similar to microbit project, but better than microbit project. So it can detect the temperature, and then I forget the other one. So it can detect around the phone. The phone detect the temperature around the phone, and of course it's very useful. And if you have better things, better. The main point, if you have better this, you can detect the weather in outside of your house. Okay. The next is smart parking. So smart parking is like in famous mall. If you park your car, then the light will turn into red. It means there is car under the light. So if there is green light, so it means it's empty place. So you can park your car in there. Okay. The next is watering plant. So watering plant is the most complicated IoT project. So many cable and something used in there. So it can be automatically shower your plant. So very useful when you go out and have something with your activities. Okay, next from IoT we'll move to multimedia. So multimedia, the first is Inkscape poster. So Inkscape poster, the theme is wudu, ablution. So I make ablution from the first washing hand till the last washing our leg. And the next is Spline 3D Avatar. So Spline is the software that for make 3D modeling, and I make about 3D avatar. So it use red glasses and black shirts. Okay, the next is Photopia Fiesta mockup. So I make about Fiesta mockup using Photopia. So it's like Photopia is like Photoshop, but worse than Photoshop. Okay, I make about Fiesta mockup in here. But it's kind of cool. And then next is motion graphic Prophet Nook. So I make it with my team, Father Alpha. So this is one of the longest project, I think, because the duration is more than 10 minutes about Prophet Nook. You can watch it. And then the next, from multimedia to Podola. So in Podola we have 5 projects. And before that, from 8th grade project, we will move to 9th grade project. So Podola is 9th grade project. So the first is name card. So name card is the first project. So it shows our profile with a simple one like born, date, and our number. So it can be useful in your office, or maybe you want to find a job. And the next is talk to me. So talk to me. When you write in the column, for example, hi, then you can click speak. So if speak, then it will there will be the sound, the voice from the phone, say hi. And if you click record, so record, and then you say hi too. So in the column it will write hi too. So it's like, I don't know, Google Translate? No, I don't know. Similar with the Google Translate. And the next is find my age. So find my age is can detect your age, your category actually. So if you write 17, then it's your age 17, then it will show teenager image. And if you write 5 your age, it will show kid image. And next, radio online. So this is the last project last project actually, the 4th project. So it seems like radio but using phone, so you can play Al-Quran or Surah in Al-Quran, and you can stop, pause, and play it. Okay, and the last is calculator. So this is the hardest project in Podola. So it can calculate square, rectangle, triangle, and then circle, and more. And we will move from Podola to Android Studio. So Android project, the first is Islamic dashboard. So Android Studio is the platform for making an application, and in here I make about Bitaqwa. The name is Bitaqwa, and inside of Bitaqwa there are a lot of projects. The first is Islamic dashboard. So this is the, I can say, the home page, and there is the home page of the Islamic dashboard. So you can see in down of the scroll thing there is some poster, motivation poster. And the next is daily dua. So daily dua is the next feature of the Taqwa app. So you can write maybe if you want to find dua for entering mosque, then there's the dua in here. Okay. Next is time prayer schedule. This is the next feature. So it will show what's the time for pray, like Zuhur, for example, 12:08, and then Asar 15:27, like that. And the next is zakat feature. So zakat feature is like manage or calculate your money for zakat. And the last is lecture video. So there is some lecture video inside of the Taqwa app, so you can watch it. You don't need to open YouTube or something, just in the Taqwa app. Okay, and this is the last project that I made in 9th grade. Okay, maybe that's all for me that I can deliver to you about my portfolio from 7th grade to 9th grade. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam.